no need to reset. There's one more game. Move on and let's see what happens again.
Skat sa'yo yung last play yun, 3-point mo talaga.
Hindi na, gamble lang talaga yun. Ganda ng defense nila. So credit sa PNP. See ano yung adjustment namin. Sa ano? Hi? Okay na? Sasagot ka?
Game 7.
Game 7, plus sports and sports. Sa players game. So, all out. You are done.
Okay. Carl, thank you.
Thank you.